Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming channel series. Today we're going to do Chapter 3 Labs in C++, which includes Labs C++ Labs 3-1 and 3-2. Alright, Alright, for C++ Lab 3-1 is using flowcharts and pseudocode to write a C++ program. So let's go ahead and dive into it and see what we got. So here we go. Same thing, we got our pseudocode. Take a look at that before you get started. And it's pretty much similar to the Java we did, but I think we'll get it right this time. Alright, so step 1, declare two integer variables named test score and class rank. So let's go ahead here where it says declare variables. Before we get started, we see the comment here up top. Notice there's a slash and an asterisk. Alright, this is just how you comment in C++. The reason why they're using this instead of these two slashes is because it's more than one line. So if you need more than one line of comment, you just put this one at the end, at the beginning and at the end, so that it knows that's one big long comment or a group of comments. The rest of them are just one-liners. You're going to just do two slashes, a space, and then what you want to say for the comment. All right, so let's dig into with these initiate these variables. Int test score semicolon. So let's go down to the next one. Use my enter key. So int class rank. Make sure I'm using my camel case, and there's my semicolon. All right, so write the interactive input statement to retrieve a student's test score, and class rank from the user of the program. Do not forget to prompt the user for the test score and class rank. All right, so here, prompt for get. Let's try C++ console out, COET, and let's go ahead and space. Let's do our enter students test score. Okay. And let's go colon and then space, because we want to leave a space for the student or for you to enter the score. So as we do that, let's go semicolon, close that out, and go down to our next line, and we're going to do cancel in, CIN. This time we're going to go this direction. Test score should be able to autofill it. There we go. And then let's go ahead and semicolon there. And let's go to another. Copy and paste this to make it easier, faster. Control C, Control V, and change enter student's test score to enter student's class rank. And everything else should stay the same. All right, student's class rank. And the next one, cancel in. Still that again. This time, this is going to be class rank. Should be able to finish that up for me. There it is. And there we go. No errors. Next test using. I think that's all I need. Check real quick. Subject. I need 50. 50. Alright, looks like that's all we need. We're looking for. It says enter student tests. So it might not pop up, but we're going to try to run it and see what we get. For some reason on this one it doesn't run, doesn't pop up. Oh, here it is. Enter student test score, so let's go ahead and do 87. Enter. Class rank 60. Enter. Accept it. Now enter student test score 6087. I gotta run it again. What's that I do? So here we go. 60. Enter. And 87. Alright, so we've got the input down there. And now we should be able to calculate our grade. We checked that, so let's go and calculate grade. That's all they want us to do. Alright, the grade has been calculated and we've got 100% and we got our 2 green checks. Alright, so we were able to get through it pretty easily on C++. So that's all we have for that. C++ 3-1. Let's go on to the next one. So this will be writing a modular program in C++. Once again, this is C++ 3-2. C++ Lab 3-2. Alright, so let's get into it. Writing a modular program in C++. So write the simulated housekeeping function that contains the prompts and input statements to retrieve a year, a month, and a day from the user. Include the output statements in the simulated end of jobs function. So you see this just means it's a function. Alright. So the format output is follows, month or year or. Alright, let's get straight to the code. We'll do that when we get to it. So let's go here. Let's start. Looks like we're going to cancel out. COUT space space enter year. Space, and we have that already, so we can just some of these I'm going to copy and paste when I get to it. Let's go cancel in space. It's going to be year, straight year space. Year, boom. Alright, so let's copy these two. Twice. So I'm trying to do this a quick way. So it's a year, now it's going to be month. Just change these two. Month. Day. Alright, so you just do little shortcuts to reduce the amount of typing that you have to do using your copy and paste. Sometimes it gets you up faster, sometimes it causes you to overlook errors, but either way. So now we have all this. This looks good. I think we want us to do something else because that's not going to. Okay, the output. We're going to work on the output statement. So let's see. Let's go with. Alright, let's give it a shot. Cancel out. And month. Slash. Okay, here we go. Month. So again, day. Space. Something slash. I'm going to copy this. Thought about it. Of course, you guessed it next. If you said year, you got it. Year. And let's go slash space. Let's go. Okay. There we go. Now is a valid date. And so nothing after that, but we need to close it out. So we'll need to go and inline. Okay, so month, day, year. Shouldn't be anything after that. So output statement for the other options says validate. Let's do invalidate. So we'll copy and paste this. Definitely save us some time. And the changes invalidate. Right. So one thing about this, if I mess that up, this will be messed up too. So whatever I need to fix here, I make sure I fix here. But I think I got it right. And let's see what we got. So we want to be able to enter the date. So let's run it. See if it works for us. All right, enter year 2002. Enter. 9. Enter. 21. Enter. Here's a valid date. That's all it wants to do. Alright, so it'll give us the grade. Really did one of them, but if it gives it to us, we're fine. So we're waiting for it to calculate our grade. So basically, if it doesn't give me 100, I'll go ahead and enter 2014. I'll run it again, enter 2014, 5, and then 32, and then that should give us 100. If it does give us 100, then we'll just know what it's talking about. But let's get it done. While we're waiting for that, thank you for checking this video. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also with that, if I get a chance to, when I get through all the videos, I'll go back through the Java and redo that one. I think I seen what I did wrong. All right, so let's get this thing calculated, and we'll take it from there. All right, so we didn't have to do the invalid date, so it did give us our 100. So that's all for Chapter 3, C++, Labs 1, 3-1 and 3-2. Thanks for viewing the video. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.